Good morning, futures traders. Today is Thursday, April 17th, the time 9:30. We're going to be trading the NASDAQ today on the 1-minute Heikin-Ashi using the Quant Alpha system. So the market is open, and just as an FYI, I do have my NinjaTrader set to UTC because I'm testing out some machine learning software that I've been talking to the owner on, and I may present that at some point to you guys as an option. But I have a lot of irons in the fire trying to find some automation that can help us get funded. So stay tuned. It's just going to be running in the background, so you may hear some orders getting triggered. Anyway, so the market is open, and we'll wait for our signals here. So you can see we did have a quant short earlier on pre-market. That would have been a non-valid trade because we were still above the 100 EMA. We did have a potential high volume trade here, but I'm going to wait for this to calm down a little bit. Maybe this could be an S3 here. This could be an S3, so I'm going to try to take this S3 because we have short, we have the high volume bar. See if we get triggered on this one. We have plenty of room to the downside here. Looks like we might have missed it though, so I'm going to cancel it. So that would have been a valid S3 because we still had the short. We had high volume bars. We had a breakout of the zone, so this would have been valid. So what we would have done is we would have put our order right below this here when we saw this and wait for the trade to play out. But I got in too late, so we missed that one. So we're either looking for a quant long, which I don't see at this point, or another S3 here, possibly. I'm going to wait. Still has a lot of volume going on here. Market is still up a little bit, less than 1%. So I'll pause the video until we see another trade. Order filled. Okay, we are in an S3 trade here. There was another bar set up here. Move to break even on that one just to protect it.
Order filled.
Oops. Stop goes to the pivot. Move to break even.
Stop filled.
All right, so $240 on that trade. Again, I was moving my stop because it's a little volatile. So again, we'll wait now. We're up $240. According to the system, you wait. Once you're green, you stop. So I could stop, but again, I want to test the signals on the system. So maybe we'll take one more trade when we get a valid signal. So again, going on pause until we find a good signal. Hey guys, still no trades. I did take a couple S3s, so we're up 360, but we'll keep it going until about 10:30 my time Eastern. See if we get any trades. We still have a quant short signal. We have not had any other trades other than several of these high volume S3 trades that has since passed now. So 360 so far. I'm not going to take any more S3 trades at this point. So we'll wait to see if we get a quant long or we hit a time limit of 10:30. Anyway, I'll continue to monitor it and we'll keep you posted. Okay, guys, going to call it a day. It's at 10:20. We haven't had any other signals other than the S2 and the S3. So let's just do a recap. Like I said, I did a couple off screen of an S3. But we started out with this quant short. That would have been invalid because it was not below the 100 EMA. We would have then had an S2 right here Okay, S2, if you recall, is when the S1 is not valid. You look for a high volume bar, and if the bar is below the 100, in this case it was, you would have put your order here and then you would have taken it down. When the market opened, which was 1330 UTC, again, remember I'm set to UTC because I'm testing some AI and machine learning tools, and they're all based on UTC. The open was here, so we would have taken our S3, S2 here, and then written it down. So we did take a couple S3s because the zone, as you recall, was up here earlier. So we took a couple at that I saw on video, and then I took a couple down here. I mean, that's been it. We have not had a quant long for a while now. So with that, we'll call it a day. It's 360 total. I did find I had a mistake in my ATM. I had 3 contracts earlier instead of 2, so I'm glad I caught that. But again, you're supposed to have 2 on the 250 account. So again, 360. Just an update with regards to Rogue. Still waiting for the brokerage account to get set up. They did say it takes about a week to get everything start to finish. So it's only been like 3 or 4 days tops. And tomorrow is Good Friday. So no trading tomorrow. So enjoy your holidays, everybody. We'll be back at it on Monday. Again, thank you to all subscribers. If you're new to the channel, please do like and subscribe. We do have content almost daily, if not a few days a week at least. And we'll be testing some more systems. Like I said, I'm currently speaking with an AI company that just does machine learning on the ES and the MES. I am, as you know, working with Quant Alpha and trading. And there's one other company that is very exciting that I've been with as well, in addition to Rogue. So, anyway, stay tuned. It's going to be an exciting year. Have a great weekend, and we will see everybody on Monday.